Your pump helps you use it correctly, get more milk, and stay comfortable while pumping. First is the breast shield, also called the flange. This is the funnel-shaped part that fits over your breast. It creates the seal needed for suction. Using the correct size helps improve comfort and milk flow. Next is the valve and membrane. These small parts control suction and milk flow. They open and close to create the vacuum that removes milk from the breast. If they are damaged or loose, the suction becomes weak. Then we have the connector. This part joins the breast shield, bottle, and tubing together and keeps everything secure while pumping. The collection bottle is where the milk flows while you pump. Always make sure the bottle is clean and tightly attached before starting. The tubing connects the pump motor to the breast parts. It carries the air pressure that creates suction. The tubing should always stay clean and dry. The motor unit is the heart of the electric pump. It creates the suction pattern that mimics a baby's natural sucking rhythm. The power source may be a wall adapter, rechargeable battery, or both. Make sure your pump is fully charged or plugged in before pumping. Finally, the backflow protector keeps milk and moisture from entering the motor.